Hi VC, Amelia Chris here with the response to Rob's thread because his beloved Philadelphia Eagles have made the Super Bowl this year, unlike a certain team from Cincinnati I can mention. But what's new? 1988, last time that happened. What Rob wanted was albums, let's get this right, albums that either had birds on the cover, mentioned birds in the title of the band or the album, or mentioned birds as a song in one of the songs. I've just gone for the covers. Rob also wanted this to be done in under 10 minutes. We're already a minute in. I think I had my little bit at the start. We're running on here. So anyway, I'm going to go for the 4 entries. What Rob said is if you do show 5, that counts as 1 entry, but you can do a maximum of 20 to give you 4 entries. I'm going to do the full 20. I'm going to start off with 5 CDs. Try and keep this down. So we're starting off with Astral Doors, New Revelations, with the bird down here. Nice bit of Euro metal. Bellowheads Burlesque, with the dove there. Nice bit of modern English folk. Evergrey, The Storm Within, all the birds coming off there. Oh, Fields, self-titled album, sort of prog band. And John Paul Jones, The Thunder Thief. So that's 5. Alright, let's work our way through the albums now. So starting with Anthony Phillips, The Geese and the Ghost. And while there's no birds on the front of the cover, there is a goose on the back of the cover. Atomic Rooster, self-titled. Budgie, Never Turn Your Back on a Friend. There were so many actually I had to look at, but watching all the videos that have come through, I've tried to keep these ones that haven't been shown so far. Damn Yankees, self-titled debut album. Sort of, where is it? There you go. Go to the birdie thing in the corner, eagle. The wonderful Drive-By Truckers, Decoration Day, with 2 kind of freaky birds on the cover there. Stretching a bit here, we've got an origami bird. This is Fate's Warning. It's a brilliant album, this actually. Haven't played it in a while. Anyway, sorry. Fate's Warning, Darkness in a Different Light is a great album. Fate's Warning, superb band if you've not listened to any Fate's Warning. FM, and there's kind of an eagle on the plaque there. Sort of British AOR band with sort of bluesy bent to them. Hawkwind, Live 79. Hawk in the title, you've got 2 birds on there. You've got Hawkwind playing in the background actually, this is Levitation. Jethro Tull, War Child. We've got the sort of eagle badge there. We're doing less than 5 minutes. King's X, Gretchen Goes to Nebraska. And we've got the owl at the bottom there. It's brilliant artwork on this album. It's a superb album, actually. And we've got the Kinks and Arthur. We've got Swan. This is killing me, this short thing. I want to waffle on a bit. Some more Swans. This is Lorena McKennitt live in San Francisco. And we've got The Raven by the Stranglers. And finally, a bit of Roger Dean and Yes Shows from Yes. So there you go. 20 in about 5 minutes. God, I can't believe that. Good luck on next Sunday. I hope the Eagles put up a good game. I'm going to be fairly neutral in this one. I tend to always plump for the AFC team, but with it being the Pats, I'll struggle with that. So I'm going to stay neutral on this one, just hoping for a good game. There you go. There's my 20 covers with birds on them. Cheers, Rob. All the best now.